Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So what is the funnel that I'm about to use in the marketing niche? Alright, in the make money online niche. So this is just the start of it, alright? It's the start because I have nothing right now. Just like I said on this YouTube channel, I haven't created any program, anything at all right now. I'm only doing Skype calls and that's it. I'm not doing anything more at the moment. But I wanted to know how this thing would look like, so I just did that, and then I thought like, wait, why wouldn't I show you this? So it's actually really simple. As you can see, there's a couple emails, and that's it, man. Because making money online is not that complicated. You just need right office with the right price, with the right pitch, and you need to make them in a way where you can make money, right? Now the thing is, when you think about something like this, it's important to understand the front end of your business and the back end of the business. So right here, I'm gonna take a color so that you guys can see this. So right here, right this thing here, this is all front end, all right? Starting here, this is back end. And it is back end because this is where we will probably make the most money right here. So what is the front end and back end? The front end is where you get the money back from ads, and the back end is where you really make the money, right? So this is a sequence with ads, all right? It can work with free traffic, free tactics for sure. Now understand that if you have less than 1,000 email addresses, it's going to be hard to really have an income on that month, right? So if you can aim to have at least 1,000 email addresses, in something like this, you will see a revenue of that. Now let's go into details. So first thing, we have an opt-in form, meaning I ask people for their email addresses. And in exchange for this, I will give them 10 niches, like fully analyzed by my friend who has been working with big businesses on and analyzing the niches and the market for them. So this dude can really make some analysis, man. And it's actually the dude that I'm doing work with e-commerce. And he showed me all that I did to study the e-com niche. And I thought like, wow, man, we can do something with it. So he will be creating 10 niches, the analysis of 10 niches, and we will be giving away that stuff. And of course we have the analysis of the 10 niches, the conclusion and all that stuff. So it's gonna be great, it's gonna be insane. So when people opt in right here, we put them in a thank you page, and we just have a video there where we try to help them already, right? We give them value, and at the end of that video, we will give them the opportunity to get into the academy for $49 per month, all right? It's really simple right now. And then we will keep on going with our relationship with email. Our first email will be a how-to, and at the end of that how-to, we'll pitch the academy again. Second email will be how I did it. So in my own position, how I did my niche research and how I succeeded in my fitness niche, right? Because I'm not in the lose weight, right? There's a specific aim at what I'm doing. So how I did it, then at the end, I will pitch for the academy. And then we will have a full out 100% pitch for the academy, right? So this is the first step. The academy is $49 per month. Why are we promoting this stuff? Couple simple things. You want to have recurring revenue. That's the first thing you want to aim for when you are online. For example, you can do launches and stuff, and it's great. You will be making 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 10,000, 100,000 bucks. But then the next day, the next month, you're not making nothing. So you should focus on recurring revenue. Even if it's active or passive, it's not important. In that case, for me, it will be passive, because I will not be the one managing the academy 100%, all right? It's going to be at the academy around a certain topic, and my friend, a friend of mine, who is very, 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 very good in that topic, will be managing this thing. Meaning that I will pay my friend a monthly fee for managing that group, and then I will be getting that amount of money. Now, of course, I will be in the group because I'm the one selling it. I will be inside, but that my friend will be making the most of the work, right? So that's a great way to start with your journey online, right? Getting someone that knows his shit, building a group around that thing, and getting the people inside that group. Now, of course, it's super important that people stay in there. right? It's recurring. My goal is to make it recurring, meaning I want to make it insanely great. I want to provide a lot of value. And so this is our first funnel. The next funnel, we will start pitching a product, a program, right? Because right here we've paid for ads, right? They come from ads. And if they come from ads, yes, some of them will go there, but we're probably not going to get our money back. So then we will pitch for a program, passive income. You see what I'm doing here, right here? I'm offering recurring revenue. Then I'm going for passive income. And then I will go for active, right? Try to have the same formula in your own funnel. It's the best way to go about this. If you start with active, you're going to be flooded. You're not going to be able to really build everything that you need to build. So first email of the second funnel will be how to, again, right? And at the end of the how to, I will pitch for my program, which I haven't yet, but I have the layout of it. Maybe I'll have the time for building that stuff before like August in this year. We'll see, I'm really not sure. So I will be building that stuff and I will just give them a value email or value video, and I just tell them like how to do something related to that product. Then at the end of that video or article or email, I will give them the opportunity to buy that product, pitch for that product. And then I will send a second email, how he did it, meaning I will take a case study and I will explain how he did. Then I will pitch again for that product. And then I will have a pure 100% pitch for that product. And there, guys, is the end of the front end. Now, is it optimal? Fuck no, all right? If you can have a bunch of that kind of stuff, you're good. Try to have the front end as big as you can, okay? Try to have it as big as you can. Because when they're done right here, they will get into your big email list. So you never lose them, right? You never lose them. But this is all passive because it's already built. So try to have that thing as big as possible. How could you do that? Well, first step, you offer something for recurring revenue. Second step, you offer a good product, right? You offer a good product related to that stuff. Third step, you offer another kind of product. Fourth step, you offer another kind of product. And you go as far as you can, right? Still providing a bunch of value. If people are opting out of your stuff, you're not targeting well enough, so this is an ad problem, or you're not giving enough value, so this is a funnel problem. Once they're done with the pitch right there, I will put them in here, right? And in here, I will have a first email, how to, and at the end of that, I will provide them with coaching opportunity. Meaning, I'll tell them, hey, if you want me to help you doing your stuff, well, you can. I can do it for you, right? You can ask me how to do it, or I can do it for you. And I will just provide those two options. And those two options will be kind of expensive because that shit takes time, and we will be asking for $500 to make the analysis of the niche of that person, right? So this is actually really not expensive, but we are going to start there so we can have the most testimonials possible. And so first email, how to, then pitch. Second email, pitch directly for the coaching, either for the coaching or for the do it for you. And once this is done, they get in the email list. My goal right now is to build that program, build the academy, build the content. And once that's done, I'm gonna launch it right away. So this is not perfect, all right? I don't care if it's perfect. I just wanna know how this thing works. It's not important to have a huge thing right here that you've never tested. I'd rather have this incomplete thing right now than have the complete thing in like years, okay? So this is not complete, I don't care, I'll try it, I'll see how it works, right? Because online, the most important thing is to test it and to move forward, right? If you can test your thing before waiting for it to be perfect, because it never will, you're gonna win. So guys, this is all for today's video. So this is the plan. I'm not gonna do that on this YouTube channel because this is not gonna be related to that YouTube channel. And guys, I'll see you soon. Tschüss. Peace out.